The freewheel piece is off, the fan is off, and like I suspected, remember this is the first time I took the fan off, right here. If you look very closely, you can see this. It's all very fine dust. I hope to find a bunch of it inside here. So I'm going to hook up my little flywheel tool here and take this off, pull it off, and let's see what we find. This is the first time in 33 years it's been done. It's never been done since the bike's been new. So all these parts look really well. The bearing's in good shape. The insides, everything is in beautiful shape. The Japanese really knew how to build these things. So, like I said, after I get this piece off and put it back together, then I go straight on to the Repsol Dio.